Promises of God's presence. Fear thou not, for I am with thee, be not dismayed, for I am thy God. I will strengthen thee, yea, I will help thee, yea, I will uphold thee with the right hand of my righteousness. Isaiah 41 verse 10. When thou passest through the waters, I will be with thee, and through the rivers, they shall not overflow thee. When thou walkest through the fire, thou shalt not be burned, neither shall the flame kindle upon thee. Isaiah 43 verse 2. Teaching them to observe all things whatsoever I have commanded you. And lo, I am with you alway, even unto the end of the world. Amen. Matthew 28 verse 20. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our refuge. Selah. Psalm 46 verse 7. For he hath said, I will never leave thee, nor forsake thee. Hebrews 13 verse 5. The Lord is nigh unto all them that call upon him, to all that call upon him in truth. Psalm 145 verse 18.